Today is October 26th, I believe, and as you can see, I also have some beans starting to pop and actually fall out of the pods. So I'm not sure. It's a little damp here to actually start combining today, but you can see the pods are just splitting open and the beans are falling right out. And needless to say, these are not Pioneer beans. These are actually a bean that was producing pretty good for me, but I guess there's a trade-off. So, all right. As you can see, combine set's idle. So we shall just wait, and hopefully tomorrow is another day and we can get to this bean field.